This is one of the areas where you get a draft from your door handle, your door pull. There's a gap all the way around there, and inside here there's a chamber that pressurizes as you drive along, and air comes out there. Air also comes out underneath here. There's a plug fitted in there. I've now printed a plug that will stop that air leak. Printed from TPU, which is a flexible rubber type, and it's just a case of slipping it onto the fabric and sliding it up. Right, might need two hands for this. Hang on a second. Okay, I fed it onto the piece of fabric. It's a case of sliding it all the way down. Hang on a minute. This is difficult to do one-handed, if not impossible. It slides right in, and it will just keep pushing and pushing and pushing until it fills that gap up. There you go. And that's the hole blocked up. Now I can reattach my pull handle. These are very handy. Stops you getting the fabric all soiled with your fingers. It's a lot easier to grab because it's sort of permanently open. That just feeds into the channel in here. That's the door pull reattached. All sealed up with the little rubber shield, and you can see it underneath here. Difficult to show, sorry. Under there, there it is, plug underneath that panel there.